Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Authenticator in Melbet. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This step is important because you'll need access to your active authentication codes to complete the removal process. Once you've successfully logged into Google Authenticator, go ahead and open your Melbet app and sign into your account. After you're on Melbet's dashboard page, direct your attention to the bottom part of your mobile screen. You'll see a menu icon there, so tap on it to access your settings. This menu gives you access to all your account configuration options, including security features like two-factor authentication. Now, from your menu settings, swipe down through the options until you find the Authenticator app section. This is where all your authentication settings are managed, and it's where you can control how your account security is configured. Finding this section is crucial because it allows you to modify or remove your current authentication method. From here, to remove your active Google Authenticator from Melbet, simply tap on Next. This will initiate the removal process, but before the system allows you to disable this security feature, it needs to verify that you're the actual account owner. That's why you'll be required to enter your current Authenticator code as a security measure. At this point, simply head back to your Google Authenticator app that you opened earlier. Look for your Melbet entry in the app, and you'll see an active 6-digit code displayed there. This code refreshes every 30 seconds, so make sure to use the current one. Enter the 6-digit code into the Melbet app where prompted, and this will verify your identity and disable your Google Authenticator from Melbet. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Authenticator from your Melbet account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.